Welcome back guys, Crypto Flight channel. Today we'd like to talk about a PEPE targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in. Alright guys, so this drawings from today's video where I shared the 10 tokens with potential gains by end of this cycle. And yes guys, this is going to be just a quick update. So time to buy PEPE was here in 2023. Basically this token already performed from that low on a max, guys, on a max on centralized exchanges, already pumped like 5,000% gains. And before max, this token listed, before the max, so we can count even the crazy gains for that people who invested in it before. And if we hit, for example, 0.405, it will be like 8,000% gains on the max, and crazy gains for that people who invested in it before. So I think yes, the PEPE will be one of many, not many meme coins which will hit the new all-time highs. And if we talk about 0.405, it's like from this current price, it's like 320% gains. It's just my personal opinion, guys. You can have your own. I don't build that narratives like Murat, so about super cycle for the meme coins. Yeah, like all meme coins already performed a pretty good one in 2023, 2024. So people made it crazy gains, right? And PEPE, it's not some low cap meme coin. Now it's 4.74 billion market capitalization, right? So build the realistic gains and the target. So almost 12 billion market capitalization. So 222, for example, 24 billion market cap. So we should skyrocket twice bigger, right, from that high. So let's count, for example, from this high, 100%, here, it's 24 billion market capitalization, like this one. Yes, 0.4056, possible. 24 billion market cap. SHEB reached 42, I guess, billion market capitalization, but we can't compare that to 2021, 2024 cycles. Buy line for the PEPE now is 0.5064. This one under the monthly gaps, I don't think so. Yes, this one is a monthly gaps. I don't think so. We're gonna drop now to that gaps. People start talking about the head and shoulder. I also don't think we will form the head and shoulder and crash it down. No, I don't think so. Buy line on the weekly I showed you. Now I wish to see some consolidation, in this triangle and go higher to the new high, sweep this liquidity pool. So that's it, guys. This is my take for the PEPE now, but you should be realistic with the gains. With the gains, what you can reach with this stock and sell December 2024, buy back in May 2025. So pretty cool one. Daily. What we can wait locally. So locally, we form like that support, so it can be like this support. We can adjust it, right? So we can drop it, lower, bounce it, and consolidate in this type of triangles, guys. Till end of till end of September even. Here it can be the tiny last volatile on the markets, and can be something like this boring market with the fake outs and go higher. So this is a plan for PEPE, and it's more than realistic plan. Now no main signal to buy yet. Wish to see, of course, the signal to take profit from the sell. Global targets, guys, I showed you. Take a look the ADZ on daily. It's just middle. So if we form the awareness like this low, and the sweep this low like 0.5081. To sweep that low, form the divergence on a daily, just can be the fake out of that triangle. Weekly time frame, everything moves by organic move. Here's accumulation. Now just in the middle. So this is not a distribution on a weekly time frame. It's bullish targets. Direction, no signal to out of PEPE yet. Signal to out of PEPE been here in May 2025. We dump it from that signal to out. Just an average like 45%. Now no signal to buy or sell, nothing. Take a look the last two indicators. Market mood, guys, on the daily. This is a positive, just a positive. No euphoria, no disbelief, just in the middle. Disbelief been here in June, and pretty good one, because this is just a hope, optimism on the market. So that's not a free. We need to see some top of the top like in December 2024 to talk about a sell-off. for the PEPE. Last one is money power, guys. No money inflow. The main money inflow being here. So let's be real. September 23. I skipped this token. I missed the token. I'm not a fan. That time was I'm not a fan of meme coins. I'm not a fan even now. You know, but now I realize the meme coins more fair than all of these super tech projects. So now, no sale, no money inflow on weekly. Daily, some consolidation can be in that triangle. Let's zoom out. Like, you know, we can form the triangle on line chart on the daily. Let's say something like this one, extended right, bam. Next one, it's hard to say how we have to draw it, like this one or lower, you know, like here. For now it's here, support, but it can be the wider, like this triangle, and we can drop just with this liquidity, right? Something like, and consolidate. Money inflow being here in at the beginning of August. Now nothing, just in case. So guys, all targets I showed you the most positive case. I think if we consolidate by end of maybe September in this range. If we pump earlier, it will be a good one. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about PEPE. If you would like to trade with my customer service, I will show in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.